All of a sudden we get out of the cattle car, they're like, all right, everybody line up. Drill sergeant comes out and says, you guys all like beer and pizza? I'm like, oh, of course we do. And they're like, you look it, drop and give you 50. My name is Kevin Sarsanello, and I'm a proud National Guard veteran. You know, all the emotion and all the virtues that are part of this great nation, all are instilled through the military, and I feel it's embedded into me and ingrained in everything I do every day. I started working at Lowe's back in 2012. I found purpose here, and it really came from the motivation that I received from the training and my military background. It means being a part of something great, and every day I come in, I'm always smiling. I feel great about helping people satisfy the needs that they have, whether it's a small project, a large project. Really makes me feel good about being here.